In this video, you will learn how to add another widget into your iBook. So, if you come up to the top toolbar where it says Widgets, this time we're going to add in review questions. So, I dropped in my review questions. Again, I can't leave my widgets in the middle of the page over the line, so I'm going to drag it so that it's only on one page. And I want to make sure it's in between these two lines. So I make sure that it's in the line here and then that it doesn't go past the line over here. And then I also want to make sure that it's not past this line down here. So we're in good shape. Again, I need to add a title. So I'm going to add computer science. Review questions. Your questions would be about the Gowanus Canal based on only what your chapter is about, right? So for this, I could write, what program did MS 442 participate in for coding this past week? And then I can give some answers. I can write drama club, hour of code, computer science awareness program, or I could write Clown University. So, based on the answer, I know that the correct answer is hour of code, so I'm going to click that one, so the check plus is there, and that's how the computer knows the answer is correct. And now I have my first question done. Again, I come over to my inspector on the right-hand side. It'll show you how many questions you've added. So far, I only have one question. And then it tells me this 4 means how many answer choices do I have. So you can have up to 6 answer choices, and you have to have at least 2. So when you're ready to add a new question, you hit the plus sign. And these are all the different types of questions you can ask. Multiple choice with a picture, multiple choice with a different kind of picture. So that would depend on the type of picture that you are adding, whether it has more of a vertical layout or a horizontal layout. You could add multiple choice questions that are pictures, and you could add questions where you drag a label to the target, or add a question where you drag a thumbnail to the target. So we're going to try and stick with these first 4. Let me show you what a multiple choice with pictures question looks like. So I'm going to click this. My next question might be, which of these pictures represents an iPhone? Okay, so I need to go to the internet, and then I need to Google image search some phone images. So I'm going to look up an iPhone, and I'm going to save it to my computer. Control click the mouse, save image as, download. I'm going to do flip phone, so an old school phone. Save image as, and I'm going to do the Samsung Galaxy 6S. This looks really similar to an iPhone. And then I'm going to do a BlackBerry. So once I have all my pictures in here, I can start dropping them into my iBook. So I go back to iBooks, and then I'm going to click on Finder, the happy face, and you'll see in my downloads I have 4 new pictures. So I'm going to drag and drop them in. So I'm going to drag this one here. Notice that plus sign that popped up as I was dragging it in. That means that it's going to allow me to drag it in, and I saved it correctly as either a JPEG or a PNG file or a GIF. So notice how some of these pictures are a little too big for the screen. What you can do there is double click on the picture and the edit mask pops up, and you can either zoom in or zoom out. So in this case, if I double click again, it might let me grab it and make it a little bit smaller. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and it's obviously going to mess up the resolution of your picture, but at least now I can see the whole phone. And then we try again, double click, grab with the hand, make it a little bit smaller. And then this one's okay. So obviously I need to choose the right answer. The correct answer is this 4th one. And then I can continue adding questions as needed.